Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another video at Tana's kitchen. We'll be making some pasta with chicken, so stay tuned and watch as we cook. Let's stay along. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Let's go. Start to boil and we're gonna put this. That's what we're gonna put. And then you add a little bit of water. Yeah, and then let's cook it. So you have to keep stirring. Keep stirring. So this is the thing I use. The thing I use to spaghetti, and then after that we have to cut. Let's cut the chicken. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I was struggling to cut, then I had to cut, so that's how it's gonna be looking like. And then we have to fry it, and then you must separate the bones from the chicken. Please don't forget that. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, guys. Okay, here we're gonna be putting oil, then we fry the chicken and put some spices. Okay.
The trend. That's why they're burning the nation. The song that goes, Jali, Jali, any day is me. What is
So the oil, you can see it's heated.
right?
So now we have to put
when it comes to let's say the food side,
all chicken in the pan. So you keep stirring it. Don't forget to keep stirring. That's all chicken. So you can also put some spices and just this one. And this one. And this one also. This one as well. And don't forget to use the black paper. And I use this pink salt to make it. See that food being crispy. That's how it should be like. Okay guys, don't forget you have to keep stirring the pot, and also check out if the milk is not coming out. You know how it is when you cook with milk, using milk, so yeah, you must keep stirring. At least for me, I use this one. And yeah, here we have to make salad. Yeah, we have to put something aside, so yeah, I was making salad. Here I just looked away and then I found out, my pot is a mess, and now I had to change to another pot because look at that. Okay, so yeah, I was continuing making my salad. Okay, so here I already put the dressing salad. Then you must mix. For those who like salt, you can put a little bit of salt inside if you want to, but yeah, mix very well. After that, you can put it in the fridge, not freezer, in the fridge, for it to just cool down. And then here, this is also the dressing salad one which I recommend. You must have. And this one I bought it recently. So those three you must have in your house if you want to cook something nice, for those who like salads. So don't forget, guys, I just add a little bit of my other dressing salad. And here you have to mix. Just mix very well. Don't mix too much. Just make it soft mix. And after that, don't forget to put it in the fridge. Please. Yeah, and here, look at the pot. It's already messy because of the milk. So you must always look at your pot. Don't be amused by something. So I had to change the pot. Here I did change. See, this one looks clean. And I didn't have much cheese. I only had little cheese. So you can also add cheese of your choice. And then you add your chicken, that crispy golden slices of chicken. Then you must mix it up. Please don't mix in a harsh way because the macaron is very soft, so you might squish it. So you must be gentle when you are mixing your pasta. We're almost done. So as you can see how it's coming out, guys, don't forget to always check your pot. Here I was adding some sauces, the mushroom. You can add any sauce of your like, but I best recommend this brand, man. And then yeah, that was the mushroom and the chicken noodle flavored soup. I also had to add because I like noodles. And then you add some water, a little bit of water. Then you mix it. Then after that you pour it inside. Then you mix it to make it more, juicy. Club Kids, hello. Okay, so here we are done cooking. As you can see, it's looking delicious. Yummy for those who like you cheesy stuff and juicy stuff. So yeah, we were done here. Okay, here, so we are done cooking, and I was about to dish out the food. So that's how it's gonna come out, and then next we're gonna be dishing out our food. There we go. That's how you plate your food, because we need to put the salad on the side as well. So that's how we're gonna plate it for now. Okay, without forgetting the salad, let's put our salad in. Let's plate it inside the plate. There we go. That's how it's gonna be looking, and then you dish out. Then voila, yummy Italian sketch. Okay, so this takes about maybe 30 minutes to prepare, then you are done. And see you next time, guys, at Tiana's Kitchen, when we'll be making another meal using other ingredients. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Lots of love. Subscribe, like and share. Bye.